Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities, that's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun, that's why you drive a Honda. Features include smart entry key, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, active noise cancellation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.